you have a clue? Are you fucking each other's mothers and grandmothers and little sisters and little brothers? Is that what you're doing right now? Are you raping little girls and your mothers and your grandmothers? Are you raping them, tearing them apart inside, and giving them your sick, disgusting diseases that ooze out of your penis and cunt? You are so fucking disease-ridden. Your dick is gonna fall off, and your cunt is gonna ooze right out of your body. Get it? Do you know what a penis is? Do you know what a cunt is? C-U-N.
Monday.